Hey everybody, William Miller, National Brand Manager with DRV Luxury Suites, and I am here with Oscar Bowers and Kyle Casper. We are currently standing outside the Full House. So Oscar, what is the Full House?
That's going to be our Toyota line. This is the MX450 with a 13-foot garage. It's going to be able to handle, your larger side-by-sides, motorcycles, even a smart car.
All right, so let's take a look. Welcome to the all-new MX450 for 2021. A couple questions that I just want to have for everybody listening. We have how many floor plans of toy haulers?
3.
Okay, so this is one of 3. What's unique about the floor plan that everybody seems to like?
1, the garage length of the 13-foot garage for your living space, the accessibility to your refrigerator, your kitchen amenities, and centralizing your entertainment area, right? So you're going to be able to entertain easier with your couches being across from your entertainment center.
Probably the biggest thing that customers love about DRV is how much storage you guys provide. In the MX450, in the kitchen, what can customers expect this year?
The new 4-burner Insignia. Our customers were used to that small little Furion that we were offering. We said give the customer something that they've been asking for a while now. As you can see, tons of countertop space on the solid surface and the cabinet space. We integrated this spice rack here to give our customers a little bit more storage.
What do we want to let customers know about this side of the kitchen?
Your 20 cubic foot French door refrigerator, convection microwave. We also offer in a Full House the Fisher Paykel dishwasher, so you can option that in.
What is every customer going to expect to get in the living room area of this MX450?
So as you can see here, what we're sitting on is the slate option for our furniture color. Where Oscar's sitting, that's going to be our theater seat, so it's going to be heated, massaged, and your footrest is going to lift up with a push of a button. And where I'm sitting is a cloth material. This is just going to be like your love seat. So basically this is going to be your entertainment area.
And in the slide out area, Oscar, you've got nice storage here. You've got storage above the secondary coach. If you would, Oscar, talk about the entertainment center. We're not cranking our neck. It's all right directly in front of you. So what's going to be standard in regard to the entertainment
You're
center?
going to get that 55-inch smart TV. You're looking direct on with the JBL soundbar. It's going to give you a nice sound picture.
Massive amount of storage here. What is standard or an option for everybody in the master suite?
As little carpet as possible. So up in the master suite, you're not going to get any carpet besides into your closet.
Okay.
Another thing here, standard is going to be a true king bed, new headboard, and storage above the king bed. If our customers want a CPAP machine, they can for sure put that up there. Another thing too, across from us is a big vanity slide that gives you tons of storage.
We got a question from a customer saying, hey, the MX450, you guys don't offer a washer and dryer. But again, I want to be clear, we are here in the master suite. That is true, the washer and dryer prep is not here, but it is offered, right?
It is offered. It's going to be in the bathroom. It's not going to be in the garage, so you're not going to lose any of that garage space.
We are now in the 13-foot garage. What makes DRV different versus other toy haulers in regard to the garage?
Insulation R value. It's built the same as the mobile suite. You get in the R25 in the roof, R16 in the sidewall, R29 in the floor.
So it's safe to say it's fully insulated.
Correct.
And we also offer standard a heat pump to help distribute heat in every garage. What's unique, would you say, Kyle, when you come into our garage here?
Your floor is fully insulated, and a lot of the floor plans that other manufacturers offer, there's that 2 to 3 inch lip getting back into the main living space. And that's because usually this is not insulated. It's just a piece of OSB or plywood back here, which, if someone's staying back here could make it somewhat uncomfortable.
In the garage, Oscar, what are some of the options that DRV customers would have to make this unique to them?
The option is going to be your Happy Jack bed, your Happy Jack sofa, table, 3-season patio. With standard metal cabinetry, it's got these nice mechanical latches and a 49-inch LG TV and a Blu-ray DVD player.
But if people don't want the metal cabinets?
Yep. If they want that match the rest of the coach, we can do wood to match.
So we hope that you like taking a look at the MX450 floor plan. If you have any questions or you want to talk to Oscar, Kyle, or the rest of our DRV team, go to drvsuites.com to get started, or if you want to give us a call,
260-562-1340.
Thanks, everybody.